Hey Resonators, so this newest Am I the A-hole story is a bit cringy. You guys have to hear it and let me know what you guys think. So this one is called, Am I wrong for forcing my stepdaughter to pay me back after she ruined my house? Wait till you find out how she ruined the house. Okay, here we go. I, 43 female, and my husband, 47 male, have been married for 4 years now. We both have children from our previous marriages, 12 male and 10 male, and 18 female. My husband and I dated for 3 years prior to getting married, but moved in altogether 2 years ago. Lives with us full time, and me and her relationship has been pretty rocky, but we have managed to push through. I told from day one that I wasn't her mom, but if there's anything that she wants to talk about or need, that she can come to me. After a few months, we became quite close, and she talked to me about anything that she was too embarrassed to talk to her dad about. Recently, has been trying to make new friends at college because she just started in spring. On campus, residence is very expensive for the college and it's close to our house, so decided to just stay at home. That's not a problem. The problem is that keeps bringing her friends over to hang out but leaving a mess. Normally it's not a major deal. I have OCD sometimes, so it's an issue depending on the situation though. She typically picks up after herself, but I recently hired a housekeeper to clean the house once a week since I've been working overtime more often, and me and my husband just don't have the time. It is expensive, but I can't stand it when it becomes too messy for me, so I think it's worth it. This time, she brought friends over after the house was already cleaned, and I guess they decided to take off their shoes and walked all around the house, leaving footprints. Footprints? That sounds really petty, but okay. They also made pizza from scratch and left the crumbs on the counters along with other things. They pretty much made the entire house filthy before I could even come home. Once again, the cleaning service is quite expensive because I like higher level of cleaning quality, so I was pissed. My husband is trying to make me let it go because has always struggled to make friends, but I can't let it go because of how much it cost. I told her that she needed to pay the exact amount for the cleaning, and she acted all confused on why she had to pay for it. I explained that her and her friends ruined my house that was just clean, but she insisted that it wasn't her. I have a Ring camera and I have video proof of her and her friends going into the house, and they were the only ones home that day before me. I gave her 2 choices, pay for the damages or I stop paying for her phone bill. She's complaining saying it wasn't her and she doesn't have the money to pay the phone bill. So am I wrong? I just can't. I cannot stand some people. You're telling me footprints and some crumbs on the kitchen counter is why you're making somebody pay back the entire amount for cleaning? That makes no sense. There's teenagers that live there. I know I'm ranting. I know I'm getting mad, but this is just so stupid to me. Hell, why wouldn't she just at the very least ask the daughter to clean up the mess? I could totally understand that. I could get behind that. But to expect somebody to pay back the entire amount for the cleaning service, even though they just made a small mess in the house, makes no sense. I gotta know what other people think about this, so I need to look at the top comments. Okay guys, so here's the #1 comment with 21,000 likes. Footprints in your house and pizza crumbs do not make a house filthy. You have plenty of options other than charging your stepdaughter. You could have cleaned it, your husband could have, you could have asked her to clean it, etc. You're the a-hole. Telling your stepdaughter she ruined your house is a surefire way to ruin your relationship with her. And I couldn't agree more. This stepmother is definitely the a-hole. So let me know your opinions in the comments, guys. What do you think? Do you think that she left the house filthy because there was footprints and pizza crumbs? All right, so let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know what you think about my newest domino set, guys. I really like how this one turned out. So for this one, the customer asked for Dusty Rose and Baby Blue with gold accents, and she got this as a wedding gift for her and her husband. So it was really cute. She wanted to add their names to the top, so I used my Cricut machine and I added their names with the gold foil paper. And guys, I just really love the finished results of these. This one came out really pretty. And for the dominoes, I was having a hard time deciding what color to use for the dots because I didn't have the perfect gold. So I ended up going with baby blue, which I think was a really cute touch. So these are the final results, guys. So let me know in the comments what you would rate this set, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.